my mom got a little vegetable oil. Making a lava lamp. And my mom got this little vegetable oil. Then we had these little water bottles, but there's too much lumps, and it wasn't that clear, so we had to change it to a huge jar.
A pickle jar. We need water to it to make it
be like lava-y, like liquidy.
And then I stole lava
And
lamp.
food coloring. I got blue, angel.
Green. Guys, this is yellow lid. We lost our
Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer. We're going to use it because
It like makes it look like lava.
and it's a pills.
Either tell them
The
what
tablets.
Huh?
She did.
What are our 4 people? Okay, Davy.
Let's get to the first step.
Open it up.
Sniff you pickles.
This lid smells like pickle. I still taste it.
So we're gonna fill it up to this little lump with half of
3/4.
3/4 of this vegetable oil. 3/4 of the way.
Then we're going to fill it back up with
We're
big
starting
one.
with the little one.
Then the big one. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
It floats. Can you smell it?
No.
Can I pull it? Yeah.
So the big one.
For me.
My mom's gonna fill this up back with more vegetable oil. Because the big jug is too heavy for my mom to carry.
Not for him.
It's not too heavy for me. It's too heavy for you. Silly.
I can with my hand. Only drinking.
You can try if you want, or no, you want me to fill it? Okay.
Because we might spill it.
So my mom filled it up.
Careful.
All the way. I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, that's good.
There.
That's good. That's good.
One
That's
time
good.
drop.
Now it's my turn.
That is enough. Just a tiny little
No,
drop.
that's good.
I did my first menu. For it doesn't spill.
Now it's my turn.
Put your finger on there.
It's okay.
No, I don't need it. Now I'm going to fill it back up with vegetable oil. Okay, let's fill up. My mom filled it up. Let's fill up with more.
Just a tiny little drop.
Oh no.
Oh, put the lid on it.
There.
Not on
She
that,
has less
honey.
than me.
It's okay. No, on your. There you go.
Thanks. That's real oil. Now I'm going to fill it up with water. 1/4 up to this line.
I can go.
Now let's start.
I can do that really, really fast.
Look at all the bubbles.
Don't stop, Mom.
I will. Keep going.
Keep on, keep on.
Okay, stop.
Stop!
Yep.
Do you have more
Ooh,
water?
look at how. Look at that, guys.
You drink it.
I drank the little tiny bit left. I'm gonna drink a tiny bit.
Mom, look over it.
Okay, 1 minute.
Stop.
No, a little bit more. Okay, stop.
Ooh, I have a lot more.
Isn't that cool? Let's
I
look
got a
inside.
lot more. Mom, you gave me way too much.
okay.
Thank
Look at
you.
Mom, look at mine over.
Okay.
Mom.
Whoa.
What the?
Now put our food coloring in.
Okay, yeah.
Now
Just
I'm just
5 drops. Try 5 drops.
Oh, that's
wait,
easy.
Davy, wait.
Today, we're going to put on 5 drops of food coloring. Now let's
Okay,
start.
let Mama. No, you're gonna spill.
Here, no.
1, 2.
Whoa, I see them.
Okay. Oh, I think you got 6 in there, but that's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Let's see if we look down here if we can see those drops.
Now let's start.
Just sitting there. Just push it on and sit it up.
Let's see.
Okay.
Not hard. There's 5. Okay, Angel.
There.
You don't want too much, it'll get too dark. No, take your lid off
We
it,
just
baby.
pop it off.
Let's see, just push it down on it.
I want to see angels. How much?
Careful, we
fish
don't
you
want to
do?
spill.
6, 7.
Bottom. So we usually use 1, but we're gonna show you what to show you what happens with 2. Okay, so this card. Oh, I do not know how to open this.
Rip it open. You want me to rip it open?
I can.
On the lid.
No.
No, on the lid, please. Please.
Why? They're tablets.
Huh?
They're tablets.
I want to see what they look.
They're lemon lime ones, so they smell yummy.
Can we eat them?
Well, it's for your tummy. You don't want to eat it. No, what are you doing? No.
Use it to break it up.
Yep, you got to break it up. But look, you just break it. Break them up into smaller pieces. Break them all in half again. Like that, yeah. Got to make sure you break it. It says break the pieces.
We don't.
Okay, so normally, no.
I'm
Okay.
gonna do this the fast way.
So,
Oh.
yeah, you get yours and you can break yours up. No. You're dropping them in one at a time.
No.
Yes, watch. Just drop one. Look, just drop one. Now start dropping them. Not too fast. You don't have to go. Just go. Go ahead. Hurry up.
It smells so good.
And we're gonna hurry up and put the lid on because we did use 2.
Tighten it up,
Okay,
please.
let me see. Hold it tight. Hold the jar tight. Hold the jar tight. There we go.
bring
Hold it
mine
tight.
up
Okay,
now?
move your fingers. In a minute. Whoa.
See all that blueness?
I know. Look.
It's getting purple.
Isn't that awesome? Okay, did you break yours up, Angel?
Yep. Nope, not yet.
Break them up.
What's your?
Break them into 4 pieces each.
Oh, I did more.
That's fine, just 4 pieces.
And Angel, go like this. Put them on the lid and go like.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. Start dropping them on. One at a time.
I open it.
One at a time. No.
Why?
Hurry up. Hurry up. We don't want it to overflow. I don't think it'll overflow though. Here, hold it tight. Hold your jar tight.
I just heard.
Hold
a
your
noise.
jar. Yes, it's popping and making noise. Okay, look up. Move your hands. Let's see.
Wait,
Did you see the ball of
blue.
sit back.
Green.
Yeah, her food coloring.
I think that was blue. Mine is popping.
It's all the air, the fizz that it makes.
So we have to open it and make the fish come
Oh,
out.
I see the lemons. Look.
Where are mine? Oh, because I
Okay,
used...
stop. Leave it alone.
Mom, I have a little bit of crumbs left. Can I eat
No.
it? Why?
You don't need it. What did I just say?
Sour.
Well, that's what you get for putting it in your mouth.
What the?
Blech.
It's for gassy bellies. Okay, stop.
Mine is.
Isn't that cool? Now let's see Davy's. Now that it's calmed down some, he's got bubbles. Just leave it. Just floating there now. Now what happens, David? Like, let's see. Let's see.
If you shake it,
No, I don't want to shake it. I just want to tilt it. Look.
I want to do mine.
In a minute. Isn't that cool?
Let's do mine.
Don't shake it. No, no.
Is it the lid tied
No.
on?
Yeah, the lid's tight.
Oh, Mom, look.
Okay. Put it up
Look,
the other
guys,
way.
Look.
Look, Mom.
Mom, show them what you.
Okay. Wow.
That blue line.
Uh-huh.
Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Bye. See you tomorrow.
It did overflow.
Yeah. And we will see about next time doing glow in the dark
How do
lava
you do it?
lamps.
Do we use the same thing?
A little bit. We'll have to wait and see.
her. Bubble, I saw her.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video.
Oh, you did join our video.
I saw